Victoria is actually a really good example of success. She had surgery when she was much younger as a child. Sadly, she had a complication related to that surgery that she ended up having to have multiple valve surgeries since then. All 4 of her valves have been modified by a surgeon at this point in her life.
We moved to the United States in 2015. I have been in and out of the hospital since last year, about 5 or 6 times, because I had a stroke in the beginning of last year.
So she is a good example of an adult congenital heart disease patient because she was born with a problem, and it's not just the problem she was born with that's causing her issues now that she's an adult. You know, post-operatively or in a cath lab, if something happens, we address it. But it might be a complete surprise. That's sort of par for the course in adult congenital cardiology.
I am honestly doing a lot better. I didn't think that I could feel this way again. When I got to Arnold Palmer, they welcomed me and they wanted to get to the bottom of it right away. As soon as I saw him, as soon as he walked into the room, it felt like it was the right person. He's just amazing at what he does. And he's like, we're gonna get to the bottom of this. We're gonna work on this. He's one of the best doctors I've ever had. I always tell him that he's so sassy. We have like this banter going on and off all the time.
You know, despite all of the ups and downs that she's had, she's always got a great attitude and almost a flair for life that's infectious.
It's not an easy thing to go through for anybody, whether that is 1 surgery or 5 like me. Like I said, it does get better. It takes time.
She is a remarkable person who's overcome so much. She's happy. She's got a good life. She's got a job she loves. We're well trained here. We've seen things that have happened, sadly, and we're able to treat whatever might come up.